Good vibes, everybody.
Good vibes.
Hey, we're out here living on God's time. We are on the road again, and it might be gravel, but it feels like gold to us.
What's happening, captains? Heading off to a Delaware State Park, crossing the Maryland Bay Bridge. This bridge can be a challenge if you're not looking in your lane, or if you have someone that's sightseeing in front of you, or somewhat afraid of going over the bridge, because this is a particular bridge where before you get on and get off, you can actually have people escort you or drive for you over the bridge, because it has a sort of a visual effect, because the bridge curves and goes high and it comes down and water on both sides, so it can be a little challenging. Basically, the saying, stay in your lane, holds true when crossing the Bay Bridge here in Maryland. That's what's happening, captains.
We're at the beach.
What's happening, captains? Wish you was here. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore the Delaware Seashore State Park, showcasing the Atlantic Ocean and some of our activities and memories.
So we're here. We just arrived. We just pulled in. We're level. We're looking good. And the captain is outside right now. We have full hookups. And he asked me to time him. So he should be getting really good and fast and quick at this now. So it's about 12:50. So we'll see how long it takes him. Okay? I'll keep you posted.
We have power and Sue. Next game.
Our campsite is spacious. I wish we had brought the tent to try it out. It is now 12:59, and the captain just confirmed that he finished all the hookups. It took him about 9 minutes. We might have to work on bettering that time. So I try to help out a little bit. I open the awning, and here you have to hold it. And there we go. Okay, so the slide is a little bit different. You have to turn on the engine and pull up the emergency brake, which I just did. And then I come over here to the panel and place it on slide. And we are going to let slide out. And a few seconds longer, no more noise. It's all the way out. Take my finger off, and now we have full slide outs. I've done my job. I'm on break already. It is hot out here. What you got to say, babe?
Yes, it's hot in here, and I have on my traveling gear, as I spoke on in other videos. Now it's time to switch up in some shorts. We walked over to the Indian River Inlet. There were many people fishing off the rocks. Across was the north side RV park. We then ventured over to the Atlantic Ocean side. It was a good day for the beach. There were many people enjoying the day. Look at that couple. This makes you want to enjoy life and hang out with them. This is Janice's bird. He works for food. That's the only reason why he was hanging out with us.
Baby, when you're stressed out, you need more than that. You need more than just a break. You just need a vacate. Vacate. Baby, you just need a vacate. Vacation. It's clear as the water, other men they couldn't keep. And even though my
So it's a little bit windy out here. My hat keeps like trying to dip on me.
So we have the bridge in the background.
Yes. Very nice.
What's the name of the bridge?
I don't know. Indian Inlet.
We'll get that name for you.
We had a good ride here. It took us about
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours, and the captain has some stats on the mileage that we got.
Well, mileage doesn't matter. I just have to be clicking through everything, and we got 15 miles per gallon. It's kind of nice.
I think that's the best number I've heard him say the whole time we've been traveling. So.
But we're not RVing for mileage. I just know that in Maryland, the gas prices were $3.80 a gallon, and here in Delaware they were $3.65. I forgot the information on diesel with Maryland, and I didn't catch it here in Delaware. There's some information. Yeah, we don't RV for gas mileage. If that's the case, we're in the wrong business.
So a little while ago, we saw me put the awning out. We were inside Bliss talking, and we heard something, clack, clack. And we looked outside, and because of the wind, the awning had retracted.
It closed on its own. That's what it's supposed to do.
That's what it's supposed to do. Surprised us. First time we've seen it do that.
Very windy day. The ocean itself is very choppy. Not too many people out in the water. But we have about 85 degrees, so it's nice to lounge, nice to sunbathe. Wish you were here.
Hey, I grew up in Long Beach, California. I grew up in Southern California, going to the beach a lot, Orange County, Los Angeles County. Just walking across the street here and smelling the ocean.
Fantastic stuff.
Brought back memories.
I'm gonna have, for lunch, I'm gonna have fish and chips. What do you have?
The tuna poke salad.
They don't compete, they know we don't group. It's only you and me, you and I, baby. In paradise, and I take you to Jamaica. Where you wake up on a beach with no makeup and your cake, though. Let me taste ya.
Remember you talking about the paddleboard thing?
Yeah, Saturday.
I think they just canceled.
They canceled the actual paddle party, but the after party was
I'm about to say.
you guys should take a ride across the bridge. There's something down there.
Yeah, I think we drove through and got it, right? Yeah. You'll probably have to move it. We get to one day. It's great. Yeah.
So there were wheelchairs that you could use if needed, free of charge. There was the beach code of what was going on, and you could also rent umbrellas and beach chairs. And at nighttime, the bridge turned this beautiful color. The lights came on, and it was just very neat to look at while you were at the campsite. We were on the south side.
What's happening, captains? Good morning. Today, we're doing corned beef hash, fried eggs, and we're gonna do it semi-Japanese style, and I'll show you what that's all about. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and because there's a question that I want to put out to everybody, and hopefully you can help me out with this. All right, got corned beef hash. We'll do a little flip here. Spread it back out. Make it look pretty again for you. For the camera. Here, get some smell. Get some smell. It's popping. It's popping. The potatoes are popping. The hash is hashing. And we're about to put some eggs on. Okay, this is what we got. Corned beef hash and fried eggs, semi-Japanese style. This is called something when you have a fried egg on top of it. I can't think of the name right now. Help me out. Please comment and tell me if you have the name of what that actually is. But this is what we got. Corned beef hash, fried eggs on top. That's what's happening. Are you hungry, captains? Come get it.
This is the Delaware Seashore State Park. This is our first night, and we were taking our trash out. This is a tent area, one of many. This is the camp store. This is a group campfire area, and across is the North RV site across the Indian River. We out here skinning and grinning
On the Atlantic.
on the Atlantic Ocean. Beautiful day.
got some vintage equipment out here, but it's all good.
We got to step up our beach game.
Works though.
The captain said we have vintage equipment out here.
But I'm looking around. I'm looking around. We good.
Good. Wait a minute. The captain just leaned back.
Yeah, and you know what? No one else has adjustable chairs. We have adjustable chairs.
Chair. Lounged on back. Look at him. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Alrighty then. So today's dinner is spicy noodles with garlic and chicken. And I've already sous chefed everything up. I didn't want to bore you with all that. But this is actually chicken thighs that I've already seasoned with a little bit of garlic, salt and pepper. Share with you my salt and pepper shakers that I got in Jamaica recently for my birthday. Yay! And we have a taste of Thai noodles. I'm going to use a bit of olive oil, soy sauce, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika. I've got chili flakes. I wanted the Korean chili flakes, but I wasn't able to get those in time for this trip. We've got sesame seeds. And here we have all of our vegetables that will go into this dish. There is red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, garlic, ginger, fresh ginger, green onions, shallots, green bell pepper, which came from the garden, and basil, which also came from the garden. So we're gonna get this cooking so you can see how it turns out. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out either. Hopefully it turns out good. All right, see you in a minute. So this was our last night here, and I wanted to just show you a few more things. This is the tot lot, the children's lot. Nice, clean swing, slide area for the children. Backdrop, the bridge. And look at this, the captain showing off some of his skills. Look at him, getting some elevation there. I like it. And this is for parent and child to swing together. I thought this was neat. Tent areas. There were several tent areas. So if you're a tenter, come here, enjoy. Enjoy the beach, set up your tent. Lots of tent areas, maybe about 4, I think I saw. There you go, check that out. Very nice. And then there was a common area, which should be coming up very quickly here, for restrooms and showers, right next to one of the 10 areas. Makes it very convenient. Tenters, come and enjoy. And this was the registration. This was the check-in booth for the south side. And there we go, Bliss. Check us out. South Inlet Campground, Bethany Beach. There you go.